In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if the Windows Store is not working properly on your Windows computer. So this could be a very frustrating issue, and we're going to go over on how to hopefully resolve it by going over a few different potential solutions. So we're going to start by opening up a link I'm going to have in the description of the video here for a Microsoft Help page or a Microsoft Help documentation. It should fix problems with apps running within the Microsoft Store. You want to left click on Run Troubleshooter from this page. Again, it should be a Microsoft domain. Once the download has finished, you just want to left click on it one time to open it up. You can say Troubleshoot help prevent computer problems, Windows Store apps, troubleshoot problems that may prevent Windows Store apps from working properly. Left click on Next. It might recommend that you sign in with a Microsoft account. I would recommend you do so if you have one linked to your Windows 10 account. Left click on Next here. And if I keep clicking on Next, you can see in my case it's just telling us to go through a Microsoft account. However, in your case it could be very likely different. So I'd recommend just following along and seeing if this could resolve your issue. Now if that did not resolve the problem, I'd recommend opening up the Start menu, type in Windows PowerShell. Best match should say Windows PowerShell. Right click on it, and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control window, you want to left click on Yes. Now I'm going to also have a PowerShell command in the description of the video here, so I want you to copy it. And now at the top of the PowerShell window here, you want to right click on like the top bar, left click on Edit, left click on Paste. Once it's pasted in, hit Enter. This will begin running some repair utilities, so just be patient, this will take some time to run. Okay, so you might end up getting a little bit of red text here. Don't really worry too much about that. It might just be one application that I could not find, but really don't worry yourself too much about it if it's just a little area here. So I'd recommend closing out of the Windows PowerShell window, heading back to the Start menu, and I would recommend trying to open up the store again. So I'm going to open up the Microsoft Store. And you can see that the Microsoft Store has opened back up. Now, if that did not resolve the issue, I would recommend heading back to the Start menu and opening it up, typing in System Restore. Best match, create a restore point. If we went under that and you had System Restore points available, this would not be grayed out right here. I'd recommend opening that up and then restoring your computer back to the most recently created restore point, and then attempting to open up the Windows Store once again. Now, if that also did not resolve your issue, I'd recommend opening up the Start menu. Type in CMD. Best match should come back as command prompt. You want to right click on it and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control window, you want to left click on Yes. Now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in SFC space /scan now, so one space in between the SFC and the forward slash, no spaces in between the forward slash and the scan now. Now you want to hit enter on your keyboard. I do hope that one of the methods I went through in this tutorial does help resolve your issue. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.